In this week's video, the response to intervention specialist says that intervention prior to grade 3 is the most effective. I believe that this is because if a child has a learning difficulty that is caught early, they are more likely to excel than those who may have a problem that has been missed. It was said in the transcripts of the video that kids who haven't caught up to their peers academically by grade 3 rarely ever do catch up. Another reason why intervention prior to grade 3 was mentioned to be better is because early intervention in the younger grades often looks a lot like play to the student. The students are simply playing games with their teacher or specialist, but they're actually getting the help that they need in this way, as opposed to in the older grades when the students are being pulled out of their classrooms and drilled and things are being done in repetitions that can be frustrating to some students. So if a problem can be caught and corrected early on, it is definitely better for the student. As far as lesson planning, assessments can come in very handy for this because the teacher can use data from assessments to plan their next activity. Without that, teachers may not know what level their students are on. Assessments help teachers determine which students need more help and which students are ready to move on to something more challenging. For example, from assessments, the teacher in the video realized that one of her students needed a little more help with receptive language. It was suggested to her that she could provide more hands-on objects for the student to be able to see the object and associate it with the word. So since they were doing a lesson on nutrition, the teacher brought in fruits and passed the fruits around while describing what it was and telling the kids what the names of the fruits were.